Hi guys, today we talk about how to turn off contacts on your Duolingo app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just scroll down, you click here on your profile, on your photo or your avatar, click on it. So then it's going to take you here in this list on your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign settings here in app, click on it. Then you come to this list here on your profile. Then you just go down here, so you keep going down when your contacts, it's going to show for you here. You come here to contacts, clicking this sign or this color, and like you see color, it's gone, that's mean contacts, it's sort of now. Then you go up, you click here on save, and like you see now the contacts is sort of now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.